Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Steam mobile app when you're unable to log in. So first check your internet connection and make sure your phone is online. Then try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem changes. Next, make sure you're entering the correct Steam account details. And if you're using Steam Guard, then check that your phone can receive or generate the required authentication information. And don't share your Steam Guard code with anyone. Now open your phone's App Store and check whether a Steam mobile update is available. Install the latest version and then restart the app. You can also try restarting your phone before trying it again. And if the app is still having problems, you need to check whether Steam is experiencing a temporary service outage. If you recently changed your password, you need to make sure you're using the new password everywhere. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.